Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2009 Harley Davidson soft-tailed rocker that I want to show you. Pretty sweet bike. It's got a 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission, forward mount foot controls, beautiful blue metallic paint with color matched frame, gray motor. Upgraded with a set of Vance and Hines exhausts, got a real nice sound to it. Set up as a solo. Got your battery tender lead on there. Nice aluminum spoke wheels. This is a, let's see, it's a 240 rear tire on this bike. Lots of rubber left on it. Don't see any kind of marks on it I need to point out. It's a low mileage bike. Side mount license plate bracket. Got 1,931 miles on an 09 model. That's not even broke in. Let's see, let me turn the key on here and we'll fire it off for you. Pretty cool look to it. Real nice sound. These bikes handle really well too. Set low to the ground. Not much chrome on it at all. It's all this gray finish. And here on the dash, and that's like a brushed aluminum there. Gray oil tank, gray motor, gray swing arm. Should make it easy to clean, wouldn't it? Single headlight up front. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Ran this bike through the shop and checked it out. It's ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We'll take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.